Most gardeners know the annual cycle: plant, grow, harvest, and start over. But what if some plants could feed you for decades with just one planting? Perennial vines are beautiful, resilient, and offer food year after year with minimal effort. Subscribe to Seedly for more practical gardening wisdom. Let's discover 9 perennial vines that can feed you for life. Meet Caucasian spinach, or Hablitzia tamnoides. A perennial green, thriving in cool, shady corners. Unlike regular spinach, it returns early each spring and can live for decades, offering bowlfuls of tender, earthy leaves. It climbs trellises or fences, adding beauty and texture to your garden. The first year is slow, but patience pays off with abundant harvests in following seasons. For gardeners seeking low-maintenance, long-lasting greens, Caucasian spinach is a true gift. Give it a shady spot and a little patience. It could become a cornerstone of your perennial food garden. The groundnut vine, Apios americana, is a North American native producing protein-rich tubers underground. Sometimes called Indian potato, it's a resilient, high-protein crop that also enriches the soil by fixing nitrogen. Its burgundy flowers climb fences or shrubs, making it perfect for food forests or small gardens. Harvest a few tubers each year without disturbing the plant. Groundnut is both productive and sustainable. It thrives in sun or partial shade, even in poor soils. For a perennial food source that nourishes both you and your soil, groundnut is a humble powerhouse. Chocolate vine, Acacia quinata, is as delightful to the senses as it is productive. Its fragrant, chocolate-scented flowers and unusual purple fruit make it a garden standout. The edible fruit and tender shoots invite culinary creativity. This vigorous climber quickly covers pergolas or fences with lush foliage. Pollinators love its spring blooms, adding life to your garden. Chocolate vine blends beauty and utility, an annual highlight for any edible landscape. Malabar spinach, Basella alba or rubra, thrives in heat where true spinach wilts. Its glossy, succulent leaves are perfect for salads, stir-fries, and soups, and the more you harvest, the more it grows. Train it up trellises or balcony railings for a lush, edible curtain. In warm climates, it returns each year. In colder zones, grow it as an annual or overwinter indoors. The plant's purple berries add color and can be used as natural dye. Malabar spinach is a resilient, abundant summer green for any garden. Hyacinth bean, Loblab purpureus, dazzles with purple flowers and glossy pods. Young pods, cooked beans, and even leaves are edible. Just be sure to prepare them properly. It's a vigorous climber, quickly transforming fences or arches into living tapestries. Bees and butterflies flock to its blooms, boosting pollination. Hyacinth bean thrives in poor or fertile soils and is drought tolerant. For ornamental beauty and edible abundance, hyacinth bean is a top choice. Scarlet runner bean, Phaseolus coccineus, lights up gardens with brilliant red flowers. Loved by hummingbirds and bees, it bridges the gap between ornamental and edible. Eat the young pods or mature beans, fresh or dried. In mild climates, it returns each spring. Elsewhere, it often self-seeds. Its robust vines cover trellises fast, making it both productive and beautiful. Scarlet runner bean is perfect for gardeners who want to nourish both pollinators and people. Chayote, Sechium edule, is a perennial squash that produces crisp, mild fruits and edible shoots, leaves, and roots. Once established, it covers trellises or fences with dense, heart-shaped leaves and yields abundantly for years. The fruits are versatile. Enjoy them raw, cooked, or stir-fried. Shoots and roots are delicacies in many cuisines. Chayote thrives in warm climates with minimal care. For a living larder and shade, chayote is a superb perennial choice. Passionfruit, Passiflora edulis, brings exotic beauty and sweet tart fruit to your garden. Its intricate flowers attract pollinators, while the vine quickly covers fences or arches with evergreen foliage. In warm climates, it can produce for a decade or more. In colder areas, grow it in containers or against sheltered walls. A mature vine yields dozens of fruits each year. The first harvest may take a year or two, but the rewards are lasting. Passion fruit is a perennial treat, tropical flavor, right at home. Hardy kiwi, Actinidia arguta, offers grape-sized, smooth-skinned fruits bursting with sweet tropical flavor. Exceptionally robust, it withstands harsh winters and produces for decades. The fast-growing vines create lush, edible privacy screens. Fruits ripen in late summer, just as other crops fade. Some varieties have attractive variegated foliage for added ornamental value. Hardy kiwi proves you don't need a tropical climate for perennial abundance. Beyond these classics, consider sea kale Madeira vine or air potato yam for even more perennial variety. Perennial vines break the cycle of constant replanting, transforming gardens into living food forests. They offer harvests that return year after year, blending beauty and abundance. Choose plants that keep feeding you long after the work is done. Subscribe to Seedly for more perennial gardening inspiration. May your garden thrive with enduring gifts.